Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable S Pen screen off memo on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. So first, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on advanced features. Then in here, we go down and tap on S Pen. Next, you want to tap on screen off memo. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Instead of write notes while the screen is off, just remove the S Pen and start writing. So let's take a look at the demo on how this works. So if I have my lock screen on, so the screen is now locked and the screen is switched off. If I need to say quickly jot down a phone number or someone give me their contact details such as phone number or an email, I can quickly pull out the pen and then start to write their phone number. So phone 0411552681, email IT jungles at gmail.com, and David. And that's it. So that's how you can quickly write a note, and then you can just tap on the save button. That will get saved to your Samsung Note. So later on, when you need to go into your note, later when you need to access that contact information, you can open up your note from here. Go back to my note, and there it is. So you can see that's the note we have written down, and that's it. And that's how you can turn it on or off in settings. If you don't like to use it, you can switch it off so that once it is turned off, if I unlock it while the screen is off, then you can see it will simply just turn on the screen, but it doesn't automatically open up the note for me to write. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.